3, 2, 1, go! Okay, we have got this heat on the way. Now let's see if these stronger athletes have managed to sustain a little bit of power. We got in lane number 1, Timmy Tadstrom. He is tapping out. So please give it up for Timmy Tadstrom. Fantastic effort here by Timmy, but it looks like he may have taken out his toll. He will, however, be back next year, no doubt about it. So out of these remaining athletes, let's see who makes it through the squat lanes first in the first round of squat, please. Back to the rope, we've got
Yes, Joe!
Ladies and gentlemen, followed by Alex Clark, and Carlos Alvarado has to move the bar. As he does so, Gio Yuan makes it back to the rope as well. Arnie Dagason taking it easy on the way back to the rope. David Dennis in lane number 2. Making his way through the first of the squat cleans. I've got to say, Stuart Trees is an absolute magician with that rope. He is already on the way back to the squat cleans, closely followed by Gia Yuan and Ivy Garnason. Alex Clark is also on his way back. Gia Yuan knocks out the first squat clean, gets an okay from the referee. Drops the second. Yuan has 2 reps left. One more for Gion.
Oh, come on.
That's it. Yuan moves the bar one step further ahead and jogs back to the rope lines. CrossFit Toulouse, ladies and gentlemen, Yuan. And right here, Arnie Dagason in lane number 8, casually jogging back to the rope climbs.
Yes, good.
CrossFit Sport is represented in lane number 8. CrossFit V-Spot in lane number 7 through Kairos Alvarado. Mattia Guerrero also in the rope climbs. At the same time as Gio Yuan makes it back to the squat cleans again. So does Arnie Dagason in lane number 8. I am very impressed with the way that these larger athletes handle the rope climbs and also maintain the stamina to be able to throw this barbell around. It is a 225-pound bar. Gio Yuan has only got 2 reps left. Gio Yuan has 1 left. 2 for Arnie Dagason. That's it for Gio Yuan. He moves the barbell forward and runs back for the last rope climbs. A little bit more of a jog, I'd say, but then again, smart to conserve some energy. Arnie Dagason, ladies and gentlemen, CrossFit Sport, also making his way back to the road. Gio Yuan making short work of the first rope climb as Arnie Dagason makes it back to the rope climb. What an athlete. That's only 2 pulls and he's all the way up there. Mattia Guerrero drops the bar for round 4, jogs back at the same time as Gio Yuan runs up for the last squat cleans. We're only 5 minutes into the workout. And these boys are about to finish it off. And it's absolutely amazing. Giajuan won. Alex Clark moving the bar forward before he runs for the rope once again. 2 more
Yes,
laps
Joe.
to go for Giajuan. 1 more lap for Giajuan right here in lane number 11. Let's hear it for Giajuan. And he finishes at an unofficial time of 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Arnie Bjarnason about a second after him. First and second place in this heat. Giajuan, Arnie Bjarnason, CrossFit Sport, and CrossFit Toulouse.
Yes, shit.
Carlos Alvaladecro has got 2 or 3 reps left. Is he going to be able to finish it first, or will it be Mattia Balaguera in lane number 9? 2 left for Matti. As Carlos Alvaladecro goes and finishes it off in 3rd place in this heat. 1 more left in lane number 9 for Mattia.
Yeah.
Mattia Balaguera finishes off the workout. We've got 2 left for Stuart Trees, 2 left for Alex Clark, and Mark Ornick has
Come on,
got
Stu.
2-3 left. Who will it be?
Yes, Stu.
Stuart Trees,
Yeah.
ladies and gentlemen, finishes the workout. Alex Clark right after him. It will be time B. So we've got 3 more athletes out here fighting it out still. It is Filip Barkowski, and he just finishes the workout right there. So it's Mark Ordy and David Dennis. Mark Ordy finishes off the workout. We're 7 minutes and 30 seconds in, which means we've got 2.5 minutes to go, and David Dennis is on the playing field still. Let's get fired up about this guy. There's absolutely no way we're not going to celebrate an athlete out here who's given it his everything. 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Dabs, you got 2:10 left. Come on, go for it, buddy. Come on, I'd like to hear some crowd support for 2 minutes. I don't care what it takes. We're getting Dabs back. Come on, go for it.
Yeah.
That is exactly what it's all about. Everybody out here cheering for you guys. Let's go up. Not over, buddy. We've got 65 seconds to go. Let's get it. Let's absolutely get it, dude. This is what we're all about as a community. Not letting anybody go without support when they need it. So it makes us stronger and different than anybody else. We've got 35 seconds to go. And I want you to cheer down Dennis on for all every single solitary second. Come on, Dennis. We are right in the house, buddy. Boom. Dennis has got 1 more. There's 20 seconds to go. Come on, Dennis. 1 more, buddy. Dabs Dennis, an inspiration, staff member. Whoa! to the judges area.